Hey guys, DaveLand69 here. So I just wanted to make a quick video about my retro PC that I built. I think I built it a couple of months ago now. Mainly because if you're anything like me, you do something like that, you think it's awesome, and then no one you know in real life appreciates it at all. Obviously apart from me.
So this is a retro machine. You can see I've got this massive monitor on now. I think it was 23 inches. I didn't even know they made ones like that. Pretty standard keyboard. I think it was just something cheap. Same with the mouse. Well, I did make sure to get an optical one because nobody wants dirty second-hand mouse balls. There's the tower itself. You can see I've got a couple of Pentium 3 stickers on there because what would a beige PC tower be without stickers telling you what's inside? So here's what it looks like on the inside. Tried to do a bit of cable management. It's probably the third or fourth PC I've ever built, so I'd like to think I'm getting better at it. You see all of the memory slots filled up. We've got four sticks, 2 gigabytes of RAM in there. That's ECC, because this is a server board. I don't know if you can see in there. We've got 2 processors. These are both Tualatin, is that how you say it? And they're the 1.4 gigahertz S processors, so the best ones for socket 370, I think that is. The Voodoo 5500, that was expensive, like I said. What else we got? I think that's the, what's that one? That is, oh, it's still the Voodoo card. That's a Sound Blaster Live. We've got the SATA controller, Wi-Fi card, little antenna popping out the back. I had to get that one from America because that one works with 98 still. And that one at the end is the second video card that's just plugged into a PCI slot. It's a Radeon 9200. It probably works slightly better in XP, other than the fact that I think it stops my computer from booting sometimes, so that's not good. Yeah, this case came with a nice power supply already in there. I think that's 420 watts, that's probably plenty, and a couple of fans. That's it really. DVD rewriter on the front, and of course floppy drive, which you gotta have if you want it to make that lovely noise when it switches on. Alright, let's switch it on. Pretty quick to boot. It takes a little while just to get started, but then once it's actually booting up, it's quick. So I've got a dual boot on there. I'm going to go with 98 SE first because that's where most of the games are installed at the moment. There we are. There's a couple of things worth noting about this. Firstly, because I wanted XP to run as well, I've had to put 2 gigabytes of RAM in there, which normally sends Windows 98 absolutely loopy. So I had to buy a patch. Note that I said buy because normally you just download a patch off the internet, but there's a guy still selling this patch for Windows 98. Yeah, it works great. That patch, man. System specs. So as you can see, 2 gigabytes of RAM, recognise Windows 98. What else we got? So I've got a Sound Blaster Live in there, and a TrendNet wireless Wi-Fi card. That's the SATA controller for the SSDs. What else? There we go. So this is 3DFX Tools. It's where you set up all your settings, although I think actually I've just left everything as the default settings. It all seems to work absolutely fine. So I'm just rebooting now to load up Windows XP. Bit of a strange one, sometimes XP doesn't like to boot.
as you can see, I'm not quite sure what causes it. It's some interaction with the second graphics card I got in there. It's a PCI, and you can see it's not booted. Silence. It feels a bit like strangling the PC. Try again. Tried a few different sets of the drivers. Thing is though, when it does load up, it works absolutely fine. That's what's left me a bit confused with that. Let's try again. Yeah, so I don't know if it tries to initialize things in a different order sometimes, and well, yeah, you can see it's going to work now. We're in XP, so I've got that for some of the GOG games I had, also some of the newer ones. Play things up to Grand Theft Auto 3 kind of level. Resident Evil 4, that didn't work. I think that's just a bit too modern for this PC. So I've disabled the Voodoo graphics in XP and using a different card. So this is a bunch of the games I bought. It's all from charity shops, car boot sales, things like that. It's all been really cheap. This is one advantage of the old PC. If you were buying this kind of quality of games for any of the old consoles, the prices have shot up, and PC games are still, you can get them for like 50p sometimes. We've got Sims, all the expansion packs, Lego Creative Air, Worms Armageddon, Max Payne, Resident Evil 4, Civilization 2, that's a good one, Worms United, a couple of Sonic games, some other Sega stuff. And this all works great on, it's mostly Windows 98. Is where you want to be running these. Some newer ones as well. Fable, Outcast, that's an interesting one. The graphics are quite weird on that. Supreme Snowboarding. Again, these are games that I played when I was younger, so I've just picked them up to play again. Tactical Ops. Now that's seen the most use out of anything on this PC. You can still play that online. I like to play that sometimes. Yeah, some more Worms, Rayman 2, Trackmania Sunrise, that's great. Yeah, I haven't actually played all of these, but I'll get around to it at some point. So thanks for watching. That's been a video about my retro PC. It'd be great if you could let me know in the comments if you know any reason why XP might not be booting all the time, because it's annoying me. It'd be good to get that fixed. Also, let me know if you like this sort of thing, if I should make more videos like this. Yeah, like and subscribe.